This quick video is about the dynamic input feature for AutoCAD and the use of it as recommended for beginning students learning AutoCAD. You will see this feature in many of the video lessons for this course. To turn on the dynamic input, type at the command line O snap. Look for the tab entitled Dynamic Input and pick on it. Check the preferences at the top. Enable pointer input and enable dimension input where possible. The dynamic input function helps beginning students learn AutoCAD much more thoroughly and quickly as it intuits among a combination of commands. The dynamic input function also works in conjunction with the traditional command line prompts. You will often see both dynamic input and the command line enlarged in the videos so that you can begin to learn the command prompts from AutoCAD. So while the dynamic input intuits possible commands, the command line prompts you through the linear information required for each command. You always need to refer to the command line in AutoCAD, but the addition of the dynamic input tool can be very helpful to beginning students, especially. There is another way you can turn on and off the dynamic input feature, which is by using the function keys located at the top of your keyboard. You can turn on or off the dynamic input by toggling on the function 12 key. Remember, dynamic input plus using the command line will help beginning students learn the language of AutoCAD much quicker.